Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. I wanted to do a video today about how to apply fake lashes. I've been wearing fake lashes for many years now. I used to wear them literally every day. I don't do that anymore, thank goodness, because it was messing with my natural lashes and I just do them for special occasions these days. But back when I used to wear them every day, I noticed a lot of my friends were getting into wearing fake lashes as well, and they just had no idea how to apply them. It was really obvious that they were wearing fake lashes. And so I thought I would do this video to just let everyone know how I do it, because when I was wearing them full time, I used to get a lot of compliments on my lashes and many people couldn't tell if they were real or not. Anyway, so I want to share with you my tips on how to apply fake lashes. Okay, so I've got a little lash here, and these ones aren't crazy bold or anything. They're pretty like natural looking as far as fake eyelashes go. And then you want a pair of tweezers. So what I'm going to do is you want to grab the eyelash right in the middle there with the tweezer. You don't want to grab it like on one end or the other end. You want to grab it in the middle, and you'll see why later. So grab it in the middle there, and then your lash glue. After a while, you'll find a lash glue that you really love. I have used so many different lash glues over the years, and this is one that I really love. It's the Revlon Precision Lash Adhesive, and you can buy this one just by itself. I don't know how much it is. I've had this one for a while, but yeah, I would always use this as opposed to the little glues that they give you in the packs. And I like that this has a wand attached to it as well. I'm not sponsored by Revlon, FYI. I just really like this glue. Okay, so when you take it out, you want to, I guess, kind of just wipe the excess off. Actually, scratch that. I want as much glue as I can get. Okay, so don't wipe the excess off, and then just run along the lash line here. Now, when I used to wear them every day, I was really busy, and I would sometimes sleep in them overnight because I knew I wouldn't have time to reapply them the next day, which probably isn't the healthiest of things for your eyes, but I would leave them on even for a couple of days at a time, and that's how well they stayed using this technique. If you want to be able to take them off at the end of the night, I say put that amount of glue on just on the little rim and leave it at that. If you want them to stay like overnight, or if you're going to be in some heavy duty situation or you're going to be sweating a lot and you really need them to stay in place, then I would suggest putting the glue a little down over the lashes. So particularly on the corners, you want to get the most amount of glue. So don't go crazy putting it down over the lashes. I don't know if you can see there. Maybe I need to step out of the way for it to focus. No, it doesn't want to focus. Anyway, literally just putting it like a millimeter onto the lash itself. And that will help it hold longer. Because this way the glue is also going to be getting on your lashes, not just on your skin. And when it's glued to your lashes, it's going to stay in a lot longer. Okay, so now that we've got the glue on, you'll usually want to wait, I don't know, like 20-30 seconds until the glue gets a little bit tacky. When the glue's just been freshly put on, it's gonna be too wet to stick. You want to put it onto the skin at that magic moment when the glue has just gone tacky, before it's dried too much for you to maneuver, just at the right moment to get it on, so you can still move it around, but it's tacky enough that it's sticking to the skin. So if you need to blow on it, that's fine. All right, so we're holding it in the middle because you're gonna want to put it straight down into the middle of your natural lash line. Not from one corner, not from the other. You want to start in the middle. So let's get in here. And you want to get it as close to the lash line as you possibly can. So it's on your skin, but it's sitting right on your lash line. So there's no gap between your skin and when your lash line starts. So I've got it there now. And the first thing you want to do before you put the sides down is get your tweezers again and put your tweezers so that your natural lashes and the fake lashes are in between your tweezers, where you just put it down and clamp down at the bottom of your lash line. So obviously be very careful because you've got a pair of tweezers in your eye. Don't use ones that are too sharp because you don't want to poke yourself. Okay, and then from here you can still maneuver it because it's wet enough. So I'm gonna move the lash line down a little, but it stays in place in the middle because I pushed it down. Okay. And then you want to do the same with the corners. Okay, now I'll do the outer corner. I'm using the tweezers like this as well to really push it down, make sure that there's no gap between the skin and my lashes. You'll periodically need to clean the glue off of your tweezers. You will get glue in them, and once there's glue in them and you go back in to try to do the technique I'm going to show you, if there's glue, then it's going to start pulling the lash strip off. So you don't want that, so you'll need to make sure the glue's off. Okay, so you'll want to go in like this and squeeze your natural lashes into the fake lashes. I'm trying to do this with my left hand, it's really hard. Trying to do it looking in the camera is really hard as opposed to in the mirror. Okay. I'm just going to try to close my eyes so you can see how seamless it is. So hopefully it did look seamless because I had my eyes closed, so I can't tell if it is or not. Maybe you're all sitting there going like, this chick doesn't know what she's talking about. Okay, so I'm going to put the next one on. Okay, so once you have the lashes on, to make them really blend in with your natural lashes even more, you want to take a little bit of mascara and sweep it through your natural lashes and the fake lashes. Now, one thing I should have mentioned before putting lashes on is that you want to put your mascara on before you put the lashes on. So many people I see put their fake lashes on and either put no mascara on, or they put the fake lashes on and then their mascara. I recommend absolutely putting your mascara on first. Trust me, it will help to have everything blend in more. And then once you've got your lashes on, take a little bit of mascara, not a whole lot, because you don't want the ends of the lashes to be just glooped and like a mess of thick mascara on the very ends, because then they're going to look absolutely fake, because no one has lashes this long and mascara all the way to the end. So you want it to be a little thin towards the end of the lash like it naturally is. But sweep a little mascara through your natural lash and the other lash. You can dab it on the ends by all means. I'm just saying don't go overboard. But yeah, so that will help it to look a lot more natural. I wore these lashes yesterday, so they already have a little bit of mascara on them, so I don't need to really do it quite as much. But just kind of in the middle, just dab through there. So there, so that's the finished lashes. Close my eyes so you can see. Hopefully it looks good, I can't tell. But yeah, I hope that this video was really helpful to you and that you'll have an easier time wearing your lashes. Alright, take care, bye. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. Ooh, you're beautiful. Scars, you're beautiful. Ooh, oh, oh. You don't have to change at all. The world can change its heart. Oh, you're beautiful. Okay, I'm done.